Hello, Mr. Astley here on behalf of the Maths Department. I'm just going to run you through a few of the key points from this sheet. Firstly, you'll see that the November exam series, there'll be no entries for our pupils at this time, largely because we missed the end of the last academic year. Mr. Longden, I know, has introduced the assessment weeks. There are 3 there. Hopefully we'll be able to do later in the year mock exams in the hall, but maybe not. Certainly the first series will take place within class. The provisional dates there are from the WJEC, so these hopefully will be the exam dates that your children or the pupils will sit. And in the past, traditionally we've run after school revision sessions once a week on revision days before the exams. Obviously, we'll have to assess the current situation with COVID, but you'll be obviously informed about this. The other 2 points on there, the changes to the course and useful websites, I'll talk about in a little bit more detail shortly. Since 2016, pupils in Wales have been required to sit not just one mathematics qualification, but now 2. They sit the maths and the numeracy exams. You can see the tiers there. They're both split, both exams are split into higher, intermediate and foundation tier. The higher tier going from A star to C, and then if a pupil doesn't make the C grade, they automatically get a U. The intermediate tier, B to E, and again then if they don't make the A grade, they get a U. And the foundation tier going from D down to U. The mathematics exam is probably more like the traditional exams that were set. The questions tend to be to do this, or demonstrate a skill, or solve, find the answer to. And they tend to be a little bit more straightforward to interpret and read. The numeracy exam, the mathematics is probably easier, but there is a much greater emphasis on problem solving, and part of the skill of the question is interpreting what information is needed and what skill needs to be used. They both have a calculator and a non-calculator element, and they both are 100% exam based. With the missed time that the pupils have faced, obviously there has been a reduction in the content that will be assessed by the exam boards. This has been removed from both exams, the maths and numeracy. If you want to find a detailed breakdown of what has been removed, then you can follow the link on the screen or go onto the WJEC website and look for the summer 2021 adaptations. But your pupils don't really need to worry too much about this, obviously, because their teachers will be informed of this and they will know exactly what content needs to be delivered. As I mentioned in the last slide, you don't really need to be aware of the different changes that have been made by the exam board, because your pupils' teachers will be, and they'll give them a detailed breakdown in readiness for any exams. Following any exams, your pupils will be provided with item level data, which should form really the basis then of any future revision, or any gaps in knowledge will be highlighted so they can catch up using them. By now you'll be familiar with the website MathsWatch. As a school we subscribe to this, and it's proved to be a useful platform, especially during the missed time at the end of last year. MathsWatch though is not only just to complete homeworks on and tasks. It does have a range of videos for every topic really covered at GCSE, both in the maths and the numeracy exam. And there are some instructions on screen you can follow to find these. Linked to every video clip then, there is a worksheet that's printable, and there are some interactive questions that you can practice online, and obviously the solutions will be given there. So you don't have to be set the work by your teacher to revise or to practice any of the skills there. I've put a couple of other useful websites on the bottom. Corbett Maths, Dr. Frost Maths and WJEC. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If there are any questions, please contact me at the given email address on the screen. Thank you.